Hi, I'm Susan. If you're watching this, chances are you're struggling with digestive discomfort, whether it's bloating, constipation, irregular bowel movements, or that constant feeling that your gut just isn't working the way it should. I know how much this can affect your daily energy, focus, and even your mood. You start avoiding certain foods, feeling sluggish or uncomfortable after meals, and constantly searching for quick fixes, especially if you already tried the usual treatments. Fiber powders, laxatives, or medications that only offer short-term relief, but never seem to fix the root cause. So I started researching natural alternatives that could actually support long-term digestive health. And that's when I came across Synogut. After digging into the ingredients, the science behind the formula, and reading real experiences from people who've used it to restore their gut balance, I felt confident enough to share this honest review with you. Synogut is a 100% natural supplement designed to support a healthy digestive system by promoting regularity, cleansing your colon, and restoring balance to your gut microbiome. It's especially helpful for those dealing with bloating, sluggish digestion, or toxic buildup that makes you feel off every day. The formula includes a powerful blend of natural ingredients like psyllium husk, bentonite clay, black walnut, prunes, aloe vera, lactobacillus acidophilus, and flaxseed. These ingredients are known for their ability to relieve constipation, detox the digestive tract, and encourage the growth of healthy gut bacteria, all while being gentle on your system. And because it's all natural, Synogut doesn't come with the harsh side effects often seen with over-the-counter meds. No cramps, no dependency, no artificial chemicals. Just a safe, daily solution to help your body feel lighter, more energized, and in balance. Of course, as with any natural supplement, consistency is key. While some people notice improvements in the first few weeks, the best results come after 2 to 3 months of daily use, as your body adjusts and starts functioning the way it's meant to. One thing that really gave me confidence in Synogut was learning about the team behind it. I looked into the creator and the mission, and it's clear they're committed to improving digestive health without using risky ingredients or shortcuts. They focused on quality, transparency, and results. Another huge plus, the 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see the improvements you were hoping for, or if it just doesn't feel right for your body, you can ask for a full refund. That tells me they truly believe in what they've created. And just to make things easy, I left the link to the official website right below this video. That way you can learn more, see all the ingredients for yourself, and if you choose to order, you'll be doing it safely, direct from the source, with full access to the guarantee. I hope this helped you understand how Synogut can support your digestive health, improve regularity, and help you feel like yourself again. If it feels like the right fit, I genuinely hope it gives you the lasting relief and balance you've been looking for. Take care.